Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Roy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 free websites that you can promote your MLM opportunity. Okay, so let's get right to it. The first one, it's called MLM Gateway. If you haven't heard about it, MLM Gateway is basically network marketing companies that are advertising here. So most people that are joining this program are network marketers. Okay, every member. So right now, if you look at this, this is their homepage, and right now they have 374,784 members. Look, up 91 from the last 7 days, and they are worldwide. As you can see, they go by countries. So these are the newest member in the USA, the newest member. Okay, so how this thing works is you can send them an email, you can reach out to them. You can advertise your business, you can write a business announcement, and so forth. There's a lot of other options that you can do in here. Okay, so for example, if you click on the members list, this is the members list. These are the newest member in the USA, and let's say if you want to reach out to this person, you just click contact member, and then it's going to show you like this person is promoting health and wellness, $9.95 to join. He's in Florida. He's interested in nutritional supplement, health and wellness, and you can basically write an email, a short message, and you can send. So each time you do that, that's 1 credit. So if you just join, you're not going to have credit. You're going to have 0 credit. So what you can do, you can buy credit. As you can see here, 100 credit for $42. Okay, but if you want to, since you just started, you don't want to spend any money, I would advise you do a business announcement. Okay, if you do a business announcement, it's almost like writing an article. Okay, so as you can see here, I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wrote like 8 or 9 articles for the past 7 days. Okay, so each time you get approved, you get 5 credits. So 5 times 8, for example, you're going to get 40 credits. And I use some of the credits, or as you can see, I have 34 remaining. And when you reach out to a member, every time you send a message to one person, they deduct 1 credit. Okay, but that's the only way for you to reach out to that person. Okay, and they do have a pro member, a paid member, which they give you the capture pages. For example, in this one, so like right now, you can't really use this capture pages. If you do a preview on it, this is the preview of the capture pages, but again, you can't really use this one unless you're a paid member. I don't usually use this feature because I have my own capture page. But if you don't have one, you can certainly use this one. As you can see, please upgrade your account to get this capture page. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is basically it. You're connecting with other people who are the same business, the same industry as you are, which is the MLM industry. And you can exchange information, you can reach out to each other, you make connection, basically it. Okay, so that's for the MLM Gateway. I'm going to put a link below if you're interested in learning more. Okay, so the next one is called World Profit. If you never heard of World Profit, this website, I believe, has been around for many years. And there's a lot of information here. I'm not going to be able to go through all of it. They have Diamond Rotator, Gold Banner Rotator, they have Solos, they have Traffic Blaster, Affiliate Link Blaster, and so many other more. Okay, look and see this one. You get Prime Visitors, Solo Ad. As you can see, for example, if you click on this one, you can actually see here. Free classified ad, Solo Ad Blaster. As you can see, you can promote, for example, free goodie bags, right? 50,000 free visitors, for example, this one. Again, feel free to go through each and every one, and this way you learn more about the website, but it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, so let's say if you want to promote 50,000 free visitors, this is it. And as you can see, I have one already, so I put one not too long ago. So you can see I have 13 visits so far. So this is my capture page. Okay, I have 13 visits so far out of the 50,000, so I have 49,987 left. Okay, and a lot of people are going to see your website because they have so many members, so many people are promoting, and so they can see your website, and some people are going to opt in, and it's going to be your lead. Okay, they do encourage you to upgrade to the silver membership. So if you want to give it a shot, if you have some budget, you can certainly give it a shot. Upgrade to silver membership, and you're gonna get other stuff in there. You can be able to send because they have a huge email list, so you can be able to send them, I believe, every couple of days. Okay, you can do classify ads, rotator. There's so many different other options. So like I said, it's gonna take some time to go to this website. So feel free to go through all of these, right? Feel free to go through all of this, and hey, you're promoting an opportunity, and maybe somebody is going to be interested in your opportunity, and this could be your way. Again, we're talking a free website with the option of paid membership, but you start with the free one. Start with the free one, see if you get any result, and then if you want to feel free, you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. Okay, and check it out. Check this out. This one. See, they also have safe lists. If you're not familiar with safe lists, basically it's a traffic exchange, right? So people look at your link, you look at people's link. It's basically a traffic exchange. Okay, up to the next one. It's called Pedron Cafe. If you're familiar with Pedron Cafe, if not, you basically put links. As you can see, all these people, everyone's putting links. So the way it is you need to earn credit. You need to have a credit to be able to add a link. So you can see in my account, I have my links right here. So far I have a few links in here. This one is 0 because I just put this 5 minutes ago. And here you got 60 visitors, 63, 67. And as you can see, available post is 3. And you can earn credits. You can pay it if you want, $5 a month, $10 a month. And they give you all these, there's a lot of all these features that they give you if you upgrade. If you don't have any money, you can stay as a free member. But again, you're trading time, right? So you can click earn credit. And each time you watch a landing page it tells you here on top, wait 7 seconds, and you earn 2 credits. Okay, so let's wait. 3, 2, 1, and then now they just give you two credits, and then you go to the next site. So once you advertise, you put your link into this website, people that are doing the same thing, they're going to see your capture page right here. All right, and then they're going to click on next, and they're going to see you're going to see theirs. It's pretty much the same thing. But I do have people up into my website. Again, it's not the greatest, because remember, this is a free website, right? Okay, see, look at earn 2 credits. You can get to the next one. Yes. Now, so the way you put your links is you go in here and you add link right now, and you put a title. For example, this one, no recruiting needed. You put your URL. Let's say if you want to promote a certain URL. Let's see here. You want to promote a URL. You can put that. I'm going to roll that, and you submit. And then it's going to show right here. Okay, obviously I'm not going to submit it because I already have one. But that's basically it. And then it's going to show. Cancel that. It's going to show right here. Active links. You can have active links. You can also put a banner. See, my banner. So right now I have one banner right here. Okay. See, if I have 39 first or 4 clicks so far. So basically, it's going to show up right here, your banner, somewhere like this guy in here. Okay. So here we go. Something to think about. 3 free websites. You can promote your MLM opportunity. And like I said, all links going to be in the bottom. Check it out. And good luck. Hopefully you get some result. On my next video, I'm going to show you the paid sources that we do for our team member. And it's going to be really interesting, because paid sources are totally different than the free sources. Okay, you're not trading your time. You basically paid, and then you get your leads right there. Okay, so So long, folks. On the next video.